it confirms that your gas is CO2. Actually, it can be SO2 as well. SO2 also gives this test, but right now we'll consider only CO2. So you have Na2CO3 reacting with HCl to give NaCl, H2O, CO2. CO2 you pass through this lime water and it gives a precipitate, or the lime water which was originally clear, it will start becoming milky, and you know that the evolved gas will be CO2, and this test is known as the lime water test. But you will see that if you keep passing this CO2 for a very long time, and so after a long time the solution would actually become clear again. How? By magic? No. What actually happens is that this calcium carbonate, which was earlier in the product, it starts reacting with this excess carbon dioxide, which is being passed and passed and passed. And this calcium, and since it is being passed and passed, more and more calcium carbonate is being formed, and now the calcium carbonate itself starts reacting with the CO2. Sorry, it starts reacting with the CaOH whole twice. And when this reacts, it gives a calcium bicarbonate. If you balance this reaction, then, oh sorry, it reacts with the CO2 only. And water, and it gives this. So we have one calcium, two hydrogen, 4 oxygen, 6 oxygen and 2 carbon. So this is balanced. So now this CO2 which is passed in excess will start reacting with the product CaCO3 which is formed, and it starts reacting and it forms this, and this is calcium bicarbonate, and this compound is soluble in water. So that is why this milky thing starts getting consumed. This white precipitate or milky white precipitate will start getting consumed, and it will form a clear solution, and this clear solution is nothing but sodium bicarbonate, because calcium bicarbonate is soluble in water. So if you are asked questions like X reacts with Y to give something, a gas Z, and Z when passed through A will give a B which is a milky solution, and B on reaction with Z again will give suppose C, which is soluble, and identify X, Y, Z, A, B, C. So this milky solution, these things actually give you the keywords. Milky solution means it has to be calcium carbonate. So we figured out B as calcium carbonate. And calcium carbonate on reaction with this Z again gives C, which is soluble. So this Z has to be carbon dioxide and C has to be calcium bicarbonate. And so Z will react with A to give B. So A will be calcium hydroxide, which will react with this carbon dioxide to give calcium carbonate. And so this Z can be evolved by X and Y, or you need another hint over here. Suppose we say that Y is used for washing. So we know that Y is washing soda, so X will have to be some metal, some acid, and Y will be your Na2CO3. So these type of questions do come, that identify X, Y, Z and your reactions are given. So in this kind of questions, just get the key from these keywords, this milky solution or effervescence of gas, something like that.